Watch what going on, man. All the world, it's not a plan. A franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what go already, you know. When we come for represent, full effecting, man. You don't know what go when we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. It can't get no better than this. Yo, all me see on the internet are beer jockstrap sniffing. Are beer sniffers. Yo, right now if you ask me, I think them vlogger ya sniff wicked and evil the K9 dog them. No joke shit not there about that. The blogger them a go like some narcotics dog. Is what me say? What sniff for clot drugs or so then they sniff one alkaline jockstrap. And no gimmicks there in my game, you know. No lollipop thing there night, you know. It's not a joke thing, you know. We're me concerned, you know, with these vloggers, you know, on the blood clot internet, you know. Watch you know. What do you Alkaline? I don't know if him go a one swamp or him stay far and use him iPhone and zoom up the swamp. Is what I say, write some numbers on Masicka album. Then me hear some man and say, yo, Masicka better answer. Him better answer. Me see all some vlogger that talk about Masicka a coward. Him a run. Me remember this, you know. Alkaline never do a this song for the money, you know. Alkaline show a picture of blood clot swamp, you know. And all of a sudden, Masicka must drop blood clot this song. The whole 1 week straight, the internet go up on a blood clot roll. I just be a Masicka. Everybody don't pan. I say him for this, him for that. Well, okay. Alright, fine. No Masicka, rascal, post up back. A snippet where him they do a blood clot sunfresh. Cause it look like somebody post it and tag Masicka. And Masicka post it back. And I make Alkaline know the same thing where make him know a sunfresh. So them a nibble upon him name like rat. And they afraid of him you fuck. So right now, I just want to show you the hypocrisy. No, I don't see one vlogger run out and I tell Alkaline to drop this song, you know. Before Masicka say afraid of him, you know. No, I don't see one blood clot vlogger forward out and say, Alkaline, you need to go do this track right now, you know. Because Masicka say you're afraid of him, you fuck. You see what I say? Body want to play a blind blood clot eye to that. But when him blood clot do nothing, everybody want blood clot down for Masicka for answer. And Masicka for this and that. Furthermore, nation people, over the blood clot church them at the Godfather. I don't know if you see when Al Pacino go check the priest. A blood clot that church there. No gimmicks, no bumbo clot there in the game. No lollipop thing there night. So you can't say me not showing something vintage where in a blood clot movie. When you go back go watch the Godfather. No gimmicks no in my game. Yeah. So me I say, oh, me not see nobody forward out. And I tell Alkaline same need for go drop a diss track right now. Because Masicka say him afraid. You see what I say? No. All you know want do a blood clot sniff from alkaline jockstrap. As him do no run out or no press blood clot Masicka. Because the thing is that iron on a blood clot deal with all on a press. The dog don't ever look for you. Because the dog in a such blood clot high demands right now. If alkaline don't go out of him way and call the dog name, either disrespect the dog certain way where it can't either everybody I know say, well then the money are this. Let me tell you something, you ain't getting a blood clot clash. You hear that? You're not in that type of blood clot demands there. You don't have that blood clot privilege there where you can easy back and throw up some look of fuckery and man run out with their name. Because you're not hype like that, my brother. You see what I say? Yeah, no, joke shit. You're not hype like that. I know Masicka I like tear off piece of your guilty promise. No joke shit not there about that. But you have to go forward out and hunt it. You're not going to sit down and post nothing and it come to you like that. Not so blood clot easy. And not so bumbo clot the crocodile artist getting fame around you. A hard work in push out. One night time people are say yo him think them not even pass halfway tree. Now it a lock down the whole blood clot place. You see what I say? And it look like it out for take off first class too. Because remember Masicka is a sign artist right now. So any bumper ass clot thing can go on. No gimmicks not there about it. But at the same time, me I say, to oh, me see the man there run out from last week. And the man them a go like say a Masicka they want blame for a war. Zin? Because they want a war so blood clot bad. A man last clot take a picture or snap or swamp and all of a sudden Masicka a coward and a Masicka run from the war. So let me see so ask you something now. Mr. Jockstrap sniffers. Let me ask you something. So, you don't see Masicka say I'm afraid of him no blood clot. Or me not hear not tell him for forward out now. Because the artist are saying I'm afraid of him. Yo, well let's say if you not tell him, make sure make him know this. Yo, Alkaline, Masicka say you're afraid as fuck. So, we don't need no more posting from you, you know. What we need is a blood clot distract. If a war you want. But you say if a lollipop thing you want, you can go and go play with sachet coolest them with that. Because the genocide artists not in a nothing like that one of their part. No blood clot gimmicks thing. You see what I say? You know so bad and blood clot mighty full and afraid as fuck. You see what I say? You know go out and zoom up blood clot swamp and a post it. Nobody never see you no go inside. As Brando say, the lyrical butcher, me hear ma say, if it's even ankle height, you not supposed to test the swamp with. You mad Brando? Pussy no want lose him blood clot ankle and him feet. Eh? You mad? Pussy no want lose him ankle and him feet. Or him forgot touch swamp. You mad no blood clot. You know crocodile lie down in a that like a flat like a card pot game. Dying to see a blood clot shadow or smaddy. Does blood clot push a foot. For grab and dive deep with that. You know the crooks them roll, my brother. Anything the crooks them roll in a deep them dive with that, you know. Yo, right now, you know. You see for uno look at jockstrap sniffers. Watch you know. So let me tell you this, you know. If none of you not tell blood clot alkaline, you know, right now, you know. Say Masicka say I'm afraid as fuck, you know. And if you drop this song, you know, let me tell you something. You see next time Alkaline post up, nothing. And I see anyone on a jockstrap sniffer run out on the blood clot internet and I say Masicka for this or Masicka for that. Cha. Oh fuck, man. Me go drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. I don't know. When me sound the big thing them, I don't know a loud blood clot explosion in the street. Or the general, the 10-star one I represent. We not deal with jackstrap sniffing around here. Anything we good for the goose, it good for the gander. Impose blood clot swamp and all of us, so the Masicka must blood clot do this song. Masicka say I'm afraid as blood clot fuck. And all of you shut up on a blood clot bumbo. And now say blood clot no. Uno run out when them post no more and no blood clot see something. Uno we see the catastrophe. But the general, the 10-star one, you know me not laugh with it. People violate them, get them head chop off with it. You know, a Gaza way, they ain't no other bumbarras clot way. Yo, the general, the 10-star one, I represent. What? Nation people. Oh.